How to switch from Stripe test mode to live mode. So you can do this by logging into your account, of course. Just go to your preferred browser and search for Stripe. And once you've logged in, and if you are in a test mode, you should be able to see this option in the top right, which is to basically switch to a live account. Just go ahead and press on that one. Once you do, this will pop out, which is to basically verify your email. If you don't see the verification form, you can go ahead and press on resend the email as well, and make sure your Gmail is logged into the account that pretty much just shows over here. Once that's done, it's pretty much gonna automatically go live for you. Just go ahead and press on complete profile, and then you'll be led over here, which is to pretty much just put the details on what your business is going to be. So verify your business, so start with your business type over here and so on, business details, products or services, public details. Then you're gonna have to add your bank, so make sure you have those details ready as well. Securing your account, so most likely for authentications, and you can also add some extras if you like. Once you've done with all of that, you can go ahead and review to see if maybe you want to change some stuff, or maybe you made a few mistakes. But once everything is reviewed and done, just go ahead and press on submit, and you should be able to switch to a live account. But that's pretty much how you switch from test mode to live mode in your Stripe. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.